guys, welcome back. So today we have a new recipe. Last week, Marion, my wife, she brought me a full bag of broadbeans from her granny's house. Amazing. So we thought, why we don't make an amazing, delicious, but very simple recipe with them. So today we have broadbeans with garlic cream and a mix of cereals. I hope you will enjoy. Mwah! Let's begin by taking the broadbeans off the pot. Keep them aside for the moment. Now we're gonna work on the sauce. We need 1 head of garlic. Peel it and remove the germ of each garlic clove. First, we will blanch the garlic 3 times for 5 minutes, changing the water each time. In the meantime, we need 1 liter of vegetable stock. Add it into a deep pot and bring it to the boil. In another pot, add 200 ml of single cream and bring it to the boil. Second blanch. Strain the water and refill the pot with clean hot water to blanch the garlic for 5 more minutes. In another pot with boiling water and salt, cook the broadbeans for 3 to 5 minutes or until soft but with a bit of texture in the center. Third blanch. Repeat the process of straining the water and refilling the pot with clean hot water and continue blanching for another 5 minutes. Once the broadbeans are ready, strain them and cool them down in a recipient with cold water to stop the cooking process. Then strain it and remove the skin of some of them, preferably the biggest broadbeans. The skin, we will use it on the garlic cream sauce. Once the garlic has been blanched for 3 times, strain it and add it into the cream pot. Add a pinch of salt and a bit of rosemary. Let it infuse for 15 minutes. Once ready, remove the rosemary. Add the broadbean skins and some ground black pepper. Add the cream into a mixer. And blend everything until very smooth. In the pot of the vegetable stock, add a teaspoon of salt and cook the mix of cereals. In this case, the cooking time is 8 to 10 minutes, but that can depend on the instructions of the mix of your choice. Once ready, transfer the cereals to a recipient. Add ground black pepper and mix it very well. Chop some parsley leaves.
Later!
Season well the broad beans with olive oil, salt, and ground black pepper. Add a few spoons of the cereal mix into the center of the plate. Broad beans, plenty of garlic cream, chop parsley, grate or crush a mix of roasted nuts all over the plate. Add some parsley leaves and finish it with more broad beans.
And now the moment of the truth. Taste time! Et voila! Cereals and nut beans!